sorry for the break-in transmission over there. So we said distance there is simply 5 times 2. So we simply change this one to 10 kilometer because we are converting the speed back to what? Back to distance. Okay. Same thing here. We simply have 9 times 2. That's also 18 kilometer. So our target is that we are asked to find how far apart they are compared to the nearest kilometer. So that means these two ships, how far apart are they? So this is point C, small letter C, point B, small letter B, point A, small letter A. So you're actually getting C, okay? So we simply have cosine rule again here. Cosine rule again here. That means we are going to have our C square to be equals to A square plus B square minus 2AB times cos what? The capital letter C. So this is C square equals to our A is simply 18 square plus what? 10 square minus 2 times 18 times 10 times cos 134. So let me press this directly in calculator. So we have 18 square plus 10 square minus 2 times 18 times 10 times cos 134. Okay, everything gives me 674. This is 674 04, so 0777134. Okay, so by squaring this, now we simply have C to be equals to square root of, this is going to be 25.96299, that's kilometer. But you can also say to the nearest kilometer simply means you round it off. So this simply gives you 26 kilometer to nearest km. Okay. Now the second question says the bearing of B from A to the nearest degree. The bearing of B from A to the nearest degree. Let me clean the whole of this. I don't need this again. Okay. Now the bearing of B from A. Now if they say from A, remember that from here to here is 49. So this 49 is simply alternating to this point, 49 degrees. So from A, that means turn this one to theta. Let's assume we don't know that, okay? So we simply use a sine rule here. So we just simply say sine theta all over the distance between theta is simply 18. Then is equals to sine of this angle, which is 134, all over the distance of what you have, which is, let's use 25.9. Okay, so cross multiply, that will be sine theta equals to 18 times sine 134 divided by 25.19. So this will be sine theta equals to 18 times sine 134 divided by 25.9, and that also gives us 0.4999. So theta will be equals to sine inverse of 0.4999. So this theta equals to sine of, okay, that will give us 29.995 degrees to the nearest degree. So that simply means 30 degrees. But now we are actually looking for, that's the angle here, this is 30 degrees, but we're actually looking for the bearing of B from A. So bearing of B from A simply means that, don't forget, we are starting from the north, coming this way to the line that join this to this. So from here to here is 180. So therefore the bearing of B from A will be equals to, from here to here is 180, that's 180 plus 49 plus the angle, which is 30. So we are going to have, so that will give us 259 degrees. So that's the bearing. Okay, now the last question says the speed. The last question says the speed at which A will get to B in 4 hours. So remember that speed equals to distance over time. So the distance we calculate from A to B is simply 25.96. Okay, then divided by the time, which is 4. So we simply have 25.96 divided by 4. That will give you 6.49 kilometer per hour. So this is what I have for you guys today. So please kindly click on the like button, subscribe button, and share this video to help students that actually needs this. Thank you very much and enjoy the rest of the day.